Suddenly, time transforms. It becomes uniquely yours. Selecting the ideal wedding date transforms an ordinary day into a lifelong cherished memory. It's about more than securing a venue or vendors, it's crafting the narrative of your unique love story. This day must resonate with personal significance, convenience, and cosmic favorability, transforming your wedding into a celebrated milestone. With romance in your hearts and plans in hand, let's begin the journey to declare, "This is our day." As you leaf through the calendar, each season paints a different backdrop for your special day. Imagine a spring wedding, with nature's renewal mirroring your new beginning, blossoms and mild weather setting a perfect outdoor scene. Or perhaps a summer celebration, with long days and starlit evenings allowing for an enchanting beach or garden wedding. Fall brings a tapestry of colors, offering a vibrant palette for your wedding photos, coupled with cooler temperatures and the rustic charm of harvest themes. Winter, on the other hand, might suggest a cozy indoor venue, adorned with twinkling lights and a snowy landscape outside, creating a magical winter wonderland ambiance. But remember, local holidays and events can impact your plans. A summer wedding might coincide with local festivals or tourist seasons, potentially affecting availability and costs. Similarly, a spring date might clash with major public events or holidays, leading to logistical challenges. Visuals of blooming spring gardens, sunny beach settings, autumn leaves, and winter snowfalls should dance through your mind as you consider not just the beauty, but also the practicalities of each season. Choose a time that not only resonates with your dream vision, but also ensures a smooth and joyful celebration for everyone involved. Choosing a wedding date often starts with the calendar. Public holidays and special dates like Valentine's Day or New Year's Eve can offer built-in themes and celebratory moods, but beware of the pitfalls. Such dates might come with higher venue and vendor costs, limited availability, and increased competition for guest attention. Picking a popular holiday for your wedding might seem appealing initially, but consider the potential challenges. Traffic congestion, booking difficulties, and higher travel costs for guests could detract from your day. It's essential to balance the allure of these special dates with practical considerations to ensure that your wedding remains joyous rather than stressful. The season you choose to say "I do" sets the tone for your entire celebration. Each season brings its unique charm and challenges, from a sunny summer day to a cozy winter evening. Having a summer wedding might mean more vibrant flower selections and outdoor venue options, but it also brings the risk of sweltering heat. Winter weddings offer the magic of snowy backdrops and rich colors, but require careful planning for guest comfort in colder climates. Think about the seasonal effects, not just on your day's aesthetics, but also on logistical aspects like travel conditions and attire. Perhaps nothing is as crucial in the early stages of wedding planning as securing the perfect venue. This factor alone can dictate your wedding date based on availability. Popular venues can book up quickly, sometimes years in advance, so flexibility with your date can expand your options significantly. When you tour venues, ask about different dates and seasons and how these influence pricing. Some venues offer discounts during their off-peak times, which could help stretch the wedding budget further. This part of the planning might involve compromises, but remember, the venue sets the scene for your entire day and should be a place that feels right for your celebration. Incorporating meaningful dates, such as the anniversary of when you first met or a loved one's birth date, can add a layer of personal significance to your wedding. This thoughtful selection can make the day even more memorable and emotionally resonant for you and your guests. However, keep in mind that while these dates are sentimental, they might not always align with weekend availability or optimal seasonal conditions. Be prepared to balance heart-led decisions with practicality. This factor is particularly special because it elevates the day from merely a celebration to a poignant commemoration of your journey together. Your wedding date can significantly impact the cost of your big day. Peak wedding seasons and dates demand higher prices for venues, catering, and other services due to increased demand. Consider less popular times of the year, days of the week, like Fridays or Sundays, or even morning weddings to potentially capitalize on lower costs. Understanding how the date influences your budget will guide you in allocating resources effectively across all areas of your wedding. Strategic date selection can make your dream wedding more affordable without compromising on the essential elements that matter most to you. When you envision your wedding day, who do you see smiling back at you from the audience? The availability of your cherished family and friends can be a guiding factor in choosing your wedding date. Reach out to key people to gauge their availability, especially if they need to travel. Consider school holidays for guests with children, major sporting events, or other local events that might conflict. A well-timed wedding maximizes the chance that those who matter most can attend and celebrate without undue stress. The availability and booking schedules of your chosen vendors, photographers, caterers, florists, DJs, and others, are pivotal. Their schedules can be just as tight as popular venues, so early coordination is essential. Align your preferred vendor's availability with your venue and other key elements. Establishing a good rapport with flexible and reliable vendors can alleviate many planning stresses. Remember, these vendors will play significant roles in how your wedding day unfolds. Their availability can significantly influence your date choice. For some couples, the alignment of stars or numerology plays a significant role in picking a wedding date. These esoteric elements can be seen as guiding forces that impart specific energies or auspiciousness to your nuptials. Consulting with an expert in astrology or numerology can provide insights into favorable days that might enhance marital bliss. This can add an intriguing and deeply personal layer to your wedding date decision-making process. While not for everyone, this consideration can infuse your day with ancient wisdom and personal beliefs, making it uniquely yours. Certain legal aspects might influence your wedding date. Some regions have specific days where civil ceremonies are not performed, or there may be waiting periods between the license issuance and the ceremony. Research and ensure you comply with all local laws and regulations to avoid any bureaucratic hurdles that could impact your chosen date. Understanding these nuances is crucial in the practical preparation for your wedding, ensuring everything is legally sound and set for your special day. The length of your engagement can play a strategic role in picking your wedding date. A longer engagement might give you more flexibility with other planning aspects, while a shorter engagement might limit your options but accelerate the excitement. Consider how the engagement length allows for adequate planning, saving, and preparation. This time also lets you enjoy the engagement period, which is a special phase of its own. Balancing your engagement timeline with other factors will help ensure that your wedding date aligns perfectly with your needs and desires. In conclusion, selecting the perfect wedding date is a multifaceted decision that intertwines practicality with personal significance. From legal and logistical considerations to personal and cosmic, each factor contributes to turning a simple date on the calendar into a profound celebration of love. Reflecting on these 10 key factors ensures that your chosen date not only commemorates your union, but also amplifies the joy and love that your wedding represents. Suddenly, time isn't just time anymore, it's your time. Choosing the perfect wedding date turns a regular day into one that will resonate through your memories and anniversaries for decades to come. It's not merely about booking a venue or securing your preferred vendors. It's about setting the stage for the narrative of your unique love story. Ensuring this day aligns with personal significance, convenience, cosmic favorability, and so much more elevates your wedding, making it more than an event. It becomes a milestone, a celebration, a beginning.